guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. If you are new here, you are welcome. This is where we do really lovely yummy recipes, so you have to stay tuned. Okay, so what we are doing today is we are doing smoked turkey pasta bake. Okay, smoked turkey with vegetables pasta bake. That's what we are doing today, and it's delicious. So just come along with me and you are going to love it. All right, so what I have here, I have some water boiling. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to just cook our pasta. I have this pan pasta here, so I'm going to pour that in, and then the next thing I'm going to add, just a little bit of salt, and then I'll allow this to cook. I will not let it just fully cook because I'm going to put it in the oven for a bit, then we'll go on from there. So guys, our pasta is cooked, so we are trying to make the tomato sauce for it. So what I have here, I have this is the smoked turkey. It's smoked, it's already cooked, but I just want to fry it a little bit. It makes it really taste nice. So I want to fry it a little bit, and then we can add our tomato sauce and the rest of the ingredients. So I have some oil in the pan. I'm going to pour that in. So guys, our turkey is nicely brown, so I'm taking it out. Right guys, so let's make our tomato sauce. Before then, I'm going to add a bit of just bay leaf, 2 bay leaves, and then I'm going to add a bit of rosemary. It really gives the oil a really nice aroma. This is oregano. And then I'll add my onions. You have all the goodness of the turkey in there, so don't mind, it makes the tomato sauce really lovely. So guys, our onions are cooked nicely, so I want to add some cubes. Okay, I have this cubes is ginger and garlic cubes. Smells really lovely here. So guys, I'm going to add the tomato sauce that I have. What I use normally is the Dolmio original bolognese sauce. It's absolutely lovely, so you can use that. You can use any tomato sauce of your choice, but I just love these. I normally love a lot of tomato sauce. I'm going to add one more. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover it and then allow it to simmer for about some minutes, because I'm just looking for a certain taste, you know, guys. So guys, I want to add a bit of spice to it. Okay, so I'm going to add some black pepper, and then I'm adding a little bit of aniseed powder, and then I'm adding my herb mixture. Oh, I tell you, it smells really lovely. I'll allow it to simmer for a little bit and then I'll add my vegetables. So guys, our tomato sauce is really cooking nicely and it tastes absolutely delicious. So what I'm going to add, I'm adding some mushrooms, and then I'm going to add my turkey. As you realize, I've not really added salt to it because the turkey is a bit salty, so just want to add the turkey first and then I'll check whether I'll add a little bit of salt taste. Right, so I'll let this simmer for about 5 minutes and then I'll add the rest of the ingredients. So guys, I'm going to add my vegetables. Okay, so I have some carrots that I've diced nicely, and I have some broccoli. I love broccoli. And then I have some sweet pepper. See how colorful it is. Smells good and it's colorful as well. So guys, I'm adding just a bit of spring onions. Smells amazing. I'm going to cover it and then I'll allow it to simmer just for about 5 minutes and that'll be it. Right guys, as you can see, that is done. Okay, so what I'm going to add the pasta. Just mix it. Oh, I would love that you can really smell the aroma of this food. It smells amazing. So guys, this is our pasta. It smells absolutely delicious. I want to add a bit of spring onions to that. Okay, and then I'm going to add some cheese. Okay, this is a mixture of mozzarella and cheddar. Okay, so I've just mixed them together. I'm going to just generously add it to it. So guys, I put some cheese on and I'm going to put that into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then our pasta bake will be ready. So guys, this is our pasta bake done. It smells so delicious. You have to try this recipe guys. It's so good. You can use any meat of your choice. You can do it even with just vegetables. It's absolutely nice. Okay, so this is what we have here. Just look at that. If you like this recipe guys, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching and may God richly bless you. Bye.